Hi everyone. This is the next lecture in the fetal echo, and the topic is VSD with overriding vessel. So VSD, ventricular septal defect, that is Malaligned VSD with overriding vessel. So here on the left side, this is the LVOT section of two fetuses. Left side is the normal one. You see the ventricles and LVOT, whereas on the right side you see two ventricles VSD with vessel over the septum. So that is the overriding vessel. It is not overriding aorta as used conventionally described. It is actually overriding vessel. Why I use this terminology is explained in the lecture. So VSD with overriding vessel is the lead point sign picked up during the fetal echo. That is the first abnormality seen. So that is a lead point sign. So with this lead point sign, about 14 different anomalies have this feature. If you would like to see all of them, please log on to sonoshare.in and listen to the lecture on VSD overriding of the vessel. Thank you.